With LiteBox 3D Pro, you can export model views or captures in either PDF or PNG formats. This feature can be found within the Export and Print dialog. When exporting, you have the option to incorporate text into the images and utilize different shading modes. You can also modify the background and PMI colors. In the right-hand preview, you'll see all the model views you've chosen. The outcome of this export will be a single PDF file containing all the selected views. The process for exporting PNG images is similar. The name of each image is a combination of the model name and view name.